Hi, I'm Bridget Meyer, one of the many experts here at Redbridge. Today, we're decoding another common Treasury acronym, EDI. EDI stands for Electronic Data Interchange. It is a method of exchanging information between organizations in a standardized electronic format. For decades, EDI has replaced traditional paper-based processes, allowing for faster, more accurate, and efficient data transmission. In Treasury, most of the files you receive and send today are probably in EDI format, unless you have upgraded to the newer ISO international standards. EDI files are received via a host-to-host connection, or SFTP, and can be automatically uploaded into your ERP system and reconciled against invoices. This increases efficiency by automating data exchange and reducing manual entry. It enhances accuracy by minimizing human errors associated with paper-based processes. And it improves transaction speed, enabling quicker processing of orders, invoices, and other business documents. Finally, it also helps reduce operational costs by cutting down on paperwork and associated administrative tasks. One example of a common EDI file is the EDI 823. EDI 823 files include information about all the payments received and processed in a single day in a lockbox. It includes information such as payment amount, payment date, and payer details. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, reduces errors, and speeds up the reconciliation of those payments internally. At Redbridge, we help businesses understand the different reporting and file delivery options. If we can help you, let's talk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more on our website or on YouTube. Let's discover more about your Treasury together.